That's what you're doing now?
I'm just putting the holder that supports all this side. There, these. Take this off now and sort of fix those. Good screws they are. Good screws. Right, I'm going to line it up. See that tripping up. My fans are falling down again. Piece of wood I treated earlier.
Yeah.
The garage gives me this special stuff to treat it.
Do they now?
Wonderful stuff. And this. Oh, I'm going to take that one down. Do that electric. This one. This is 1/4. That's not bad, is it?
No, that's all right. Gold screws. I can afford it. Very nice.
And hopefully put the screws in the uprights because there's bugger all bit on.
The joys of corded blooming drills.
Huh?
You stood on the drill wire.
I know. Yeah, why do I stand on the bloody drill wire?
I don't know.
Oh, come on. I don't think that will go up anymore, to be honest with you. I'll make that for a minute. Because I'm going to jack the whole thing up
Yeah.
to make sure that the sheeting up here is tight against the sheeting.
Oh, the roofing sheet
roofing
of the
sheet
original
coming
stable.
down. And also, it's got to look
Jeez.
apart.
Yeah.
Instead of a bent up old bloody thing that I'm doing at the moment. That will come down a bit in a minute.
It's going to be really warm in here in the summer though.
Oh, it's going to be lovely.
Yeah.
Long Beach.
Yep. This is Long Beach. While he's doing that. And this is Back Beach, named after a beach in Teignmouth.
Right, isn't it?
Yeah. Where's the bar?
The bar?
For the jack.
Jack's bar?
Yeah.
The same place as where I put the broom handles.
Oh, okay. Fair enough.
The pick handles, broom handles, jack handles are all in the same place. You could use your imagination. Cool dude.
Mm-hmm.
And what we do then, I'm clever enough, I'll put one up and under so they don't move that way.
Okay.
Lateral, like this. Oh, look at that.
Brilliant.
Timber.
Yep. The most expensive part of this wooden frame is the screws. Literally.
That should be a bloody gold one.
Yeah.
Well, I don't worry about it because you painted them.
Yeah.
Perfect. Now the wind shouldn't be able to take it away. I'll be moaning my hip, my wrist will be hurting later.
Yeah.
Doing that. Where's the jack handle?
I don't know. That's what I asked earlier.
Oh. Jack handle, they call it. Look at that, eh?
And there's just this little bit.
Eh?
Just this little bit.
Just
Obviously
little
that sheet needs fixing. And
The little bit's going to take
Ah.
a little bit longer because I've got to do the lid flashing.
yeah. And it's got to be tied into the corner of the original stable. So it needs like the lead sorting out on there.
That's right.
So it's just a little bit left, but it's
Thank you,
complex.
Thompson Timber. Joe, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thank you,
think it was.
Joe. Right, let's go and have a cup of tea and go home. Yeah?
Yep.
Look at the mess you've left me.
Time for tea.